Hey, what's up? It's Mr. J with SciOnTheFly, the place where learning makes sense. Are you a student who's recently been given the task to come up with a state project, but you don't know what to do, where to go, or how to get started? If so, I'm here to help. Now, I'm not going to do this project for you, but I do want to help give you enough information to get that ball rolling so you can take it, run with it, and do a great job on it. I have a state report graphic organizer that I have for sale on my Teacher Pay Teacher website. If you think that might be something you want or need, I'm going to put a direct link for it in the comment section down below. Now, this video is specifically tailored for students who are doing their project on the state of Connecticut. Connecticut became the 5th state to join the Union on January 9, 1788. The original governor was a guy named Jonathan Trumbull. We know today that the capital of Connecticut is Hartford, but that wasn't always the case. In fact, Connecticut at one time had 2 congruent capitals, Hartford being one, and the other one being a town called New Haven. The state flag consists of a blue background with a Baroque shield with 3 grapevines, each bearing 3 bunches of purple grapes. Below the shield was a white and yellow banner that read the state motto, Qui transulat susinit, which is Latin for he who transplanted sustains. I like that. The state bird is the American robin. The state tree, there are actually 2 of them, the white oak and the charter oak. The state flower is the mountain laurel, and the state nickname is the Constitution State. Now, hopefully this is enough information to get that ball rolling. Take it, run with it, do a great job. Good luck, you got this. Until next time, it's Mr. J with SciOnTheFly, the place where learning makes sense.